What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Horne from Money Making Ideas, and in today's video I am going to give you 5 mistakes that new affiliates make starting right now. Over the last year I have made thousands of dollars as an affiliate marketer, and I've even helped some other people make money as affiliates as well. And in that time I've noticed a couple of common mistakes that new affiliates make. In today's video, I'm going to address 5 of the common mistakes that I see new affiliates make, starting with information overload. A lot of times new affiliates come in and they try to learn as much as they can in order to avoid making any and all mistakes. Unfortunately, they're actually making their first mistake by overloading themselves with too much information. The end result is being overwhelmed with the amount of information you've taken in and being unable to find a place to start. My best advice for this is to learn the minimum it takes to start, learn from your mistakes that you're going to make, and continue to learn on your way to building a successful affiliate marketing business. The second mistake that I see a lot of new affiliate marketers make is focusing on marketing over branding. You want to brand yourself as an expert in your niche. That way, instead of spending all day chasing after people, you'll actually have people coming to you and looking for answers to their problem. This will help you build trust and rapport so that you can build a following, which make it easier for you to scale your business later down the road. So how does one brand themselves as an expert? Well, it's quite simple. You just create content around things that people in your niche are going to want to see. If you want to use me, for example, then you'll see that I got my restart by first answering questions on Quora. Then I branched out to my Instagram profiles before coming here to create more content about affiliate marketing and social media on YouTube. The next mistake that I see a lot of new affiliates make is the number of traffic sources they use. In my opinion, it's great to start off with a free traffic source. So any of the social media platforms would be a good place for new affiliates to start. However, you shouldn't stop there. You should actually be trying to use both free and paid traffic sources, especially when you're just beginning. So how can you do this if you're starting with no money? Well, it's very simple. First, you use free traffic source and make some money off of that. And then you save 10% to pay yourself, and then use the rest in order to buy ads on different social media platforms or on Google. I say give yourself 10% because I truly believe that you need to pay yourself before you think about putting more money into your business. This is one of the things that will help you stay motivated and looking forward to making more money. The fourth mistakes that I see a lot of new affiliates make is not knowing their targeted audience. My target audience are millennials who want to learn affiliate marketing. I create content to help you find the best product, strategy, and methods in order to help you start and scale your affiliate marketing business. Fifth mistake that I see a lot of new affiliates make is having the wrong mindset. Affiliate marketing is a business, and as such, it is hard to do. If it wasn't, everyone would be doing it. But if you come in doubting yourself, it's going to make it harder to succeed when starting your affiliate marketing business, even if you're just using it as a side hustle. When you start your affiliate marketing business, you need to believe that you can succeed, because if you don't, no one else is going to believe you. You need to be your biggest fan from step 1 and every step after that. If I can give you one tip, it would be to share your story. The story of how you began and how you wind up to where you are now is going to be one of the most powerful tools that you can use in order to attract your ideal customer. Because people you're looking to do business with are most likely going to be in the same predicament that you are in right now. So don't be afraid to share your story with the community. It'll make you far more approachable and easier to trust.